Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Deal from Keller Williams Elevate, and today I'm here in Lorain, Ohio at one of my new listings, and I wanted to share the listing with you, show you a little bit about this beautiful home. Before I do that, I want to go over a little bit about why should you move to Lorain. Jennifer, tell me a little bit more about Lorain, Ohio. Well, one of my first experiences in Lorain was when I was in high school. I got to be in community theater and I performed on Broadway. Yes, there is a Broadway in Lorain, Ohio, and I performed at the Palace Theater on Broadway in the show Guys and Dolls. Maybe I have a photo there to show you. So Lorain is a great city. It's located about 30 miles west of Cleveland, so if you need to commute to Cleveland, Lorain might be a great option for you. And it is also sometimes referred to as the Steel City because of its well-known steel mill. It's located on the north coast. For those of you who don't know what that means, basically it is on the shores of Lake Erie, and it does have a beach. It has a small town feel. When you go downtown, you'll see the older buildings, and you can imagine what it was like when it was first built. And it's still, close enough to the big city of Cleveland. So if you want to go to Cleveland and do things there, you can. It is also located by the Black River, and the Charles Berry Bridge crosses the Black River. It is the second largest vestibule bridge in the world. And there's also a number of other numerous historical sites, a lot of activities that you could participate in. Lorain really has a lot to offer. It's one of the best kept secrets here in the Cleveland metro area. So if you're interested in moving to Lorain or learning more about it, maybe seeing some of the homes that are listed for sale, give me a call. We'll set up some showings. If you would like to see this listing here at 1779 East 36th Street, let me know. And here's some more video footage of this beautiful home.